I'm Kristen, and today we are going to do an experiment for my Apologia Science Human Anatomy program.
And I'm Misty, blogger at Join the Journey and podcaster at Joyfully Homeschooling. So we all know our brain is extremely fragile, right? But your brain comes with protection, and I don't mean just your skull. Inside of your skull can be rough enough to cut the brain if it wasn't well packed and padded. Between the skull and brain is a special fluid called the cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid helps cushion the brain and keep it comfortably in place. So when you bang your head hard, your brain moves a bit inside your skull. The cerebrospinal fluid's job is to distribute the force of the impact, decreasing the possible movement of your brain within your head. So we're going to do an experiment today to show you exactly how this works. Okay, so we are going to learn about what exactly it is that protects our brain. So, Kristen, can you show me what we have here?
This is an egg.
And I believe the egg is supposed to represent our brain. And then we are going to put the egg into this skull.
Which represents our skull.
Right, our skull. Yep. Okay, so place it in there.
Okay.
Make sure it is.
I put it upside down.
Well, I don't think it matters if it's upside down or.
It matters.
Okay. Do you know how to snap an Easter egg? There you go. Okay, so now we are going to drop the egg from about 18 inches high. Well, I would say that's probably about 18 inches. All right, so drop it. Let's see what happens. Okay.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Now, we are going to open up the egg and see what the egg looks like inside. Show them. Is it cracked?
Yeah, our brain is pretty cracked.
Ooh! Yep, the brain is pretty cracked.
I'm a good dentist.
So, now we are going to try another. Now we're going to try it another way, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so now that we have cleaned up the mess from the first egg, we're going to try to put something inside of our skull to help protect or cushion our brain.
It represents the cerebrospinal.
Yes.
Stuff.
So here is our skull. We're going to put syrup on both sides of this. Make sure it's on both sides. And we purchase all of our science experiment kits from Nature's Workshop. They are very, very, very helpful. Apologia has a experiment kit for astronomy, but they don't yet have them for the other courses. But they are a huge help. It already came with the large plastic egg and with the syrup. So all we had to provide for this experiment was the actual eggs. Fill up both sides. We are going to see if our brain is less damaged once we have something in there to help protect it.
Almost empty.
All right, I think that's good. Thank you for not getting any syrup on me.
Is that sarcasm?
No, you didn't get any on me. I think this is going to be messy. So definitely you want to do this over top of a sink. We have it over top of a large bowl. So, all right. So now we are going to drop it from about the same height, and then we're going to look at the egg and see if it is any less damaged. Didn't sound bad.
Oh, it's sort of slimy. Oh, goodness.
But hold up the egg.
Oh, gosh, it's disgusting.
But is it cracked?
No.
The egg is not cracked at all. Now that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what did you guys think? I thought that was a super fun experiment. But what exactly did we see in action? Kristen, can you explain that to us?
The second egg sustained a lot less damage, and that's because the syrup helped to pad the egg. It decreased the egg's ability to move around with the plastic at the time of impact, therefore keeping it from breaking. This is how cerebrospinal fluid protects our brain.
So what did you learn today?
I learned how cerebrospinal fluid protects our brain.
That is wonderful. Did you enjoy this experiment?
Yeah.
So would you give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, what do you think?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. All right. So thanks, guys, so much for watching and learning with us today. And to learn more about Apologia, go to apologia.com and you can get the Human Anatomy program yourself and do this experiment with your kiddos. Have a great and wonderful day, guys. Thanks. Bye.